Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to set logon hours for domain users in Active Directory Windows Server 2022. Client computer login with user1. Open Active Directory users and computers. Open user1 properties. Click Logon Hours. Set logon denied hours. Only logon permitted hours is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Restart client computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.